Woman say una don't kidnap him for 3 months, for 6 months. But una they say na 3 months una kidnap him. How many months una kidnap him?
Na 3 months.
Na 3 months. Na 3 months una kidnap him. But woman say na 6 months. Are you sure say na 2 of una give am belle?
Na 2 of them.
Na 2 of una give am belle? Are you sure?
Na true.
You know the lie for us.
I go tell you lie. If you ask me.
Na truth they tell us.
I no go tell you lie.
Who are you here now?
Na VG.
VG. From where? From Iftedun. Special squad Iftedun. And Oyi combined team. Special strike force Oyi. No be them owe you. She be waiting to tell us now the truth. You know the lie for us.
If you go take the girl, then you go see her.
I go see her say give am belle. Now, if you confirm say the girl say na 6 months una kidnap am, you they say na 3 months. What you go do you?
Anything what you want. Anything what you want to do for me.
Are you from where?
From Niger.
Niger. What is your name? Adamu. From Niger. You unko?
Mohammed.
From where?
Niger.
From Niger Republic. So as you know me.
I know.
You know me well. So you go feel lie for me.
I know go lie.
So this thing where they tell me na truth.
If you talk lie for you go to kill me.
Na truth they tell me. Say na 3 months.
Na 3 months.
No be 6 months na kidnap am. So now, if I confirm say na 6 months, what thing I go do you?
Anything where you like do me.
Anything why I like make I do you. Anything why I like make I do you.
I no go tell you lie.
She be get wife. You can't go Niger go keep am. You unko?
I get wife.
You get wife. You there for Niger. What you na do they good? What you na do go they good? You know good. What you do they good? You know good. So you be my brother. We know if you do you bad. Anybody beat you here? Anybody beat you here? Anybody beat you?
No.
Who collect any money from your hand? She be want make everything there okay. Una want make everything settle. Una go do am again?
No.
Una go do am again?
No.
Una go do am again? Are you sure?
I swear.
Okay.